Currently, my Amazon Fire HD tablet does not respond to touch. But in order to access or reset the tablet or proceed to the next screen, you must use the touch screen. So I unplugged the battery cable in order to turn off the tablet. I used this tool and a plastic card to open the cover. It was really simple. I just unscrewed it, lifted it up, and very slowly lifted the bracket. Look at the cable, which was easy to pull out. I'm trying to show you the cable from different angles. But you just pull it out very slowly and push it back in, which turns the tablet off. With the tablet off, to get to the bootloader screen, hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time. I was not able to access the boot screen while the tablet was on. The option to factory reset the tablet is already highlighted. Once you factory reset it, the total process takes about 8 minutes or so. After factory resetting the tablet, I was still not able to use the touch screen. However, I dropped this tablet many times, and it also had some water damage. So next, I will be using parts from another Fire tablet in order to get this tablet to work properly. And I will keep you updated.